Here's how you do the oily painting look in couple minutes. Here's how you can make it. Make a new layer by hitting Ctrl plus J, then go to Filters, Noise, Denoise. Slide the luminance to 100% and colors to 0. Hit Apply. Go to Filters and repeat noise reduction, which means denoise. Do it couple times. You can see it's more soft and oily looking. Continue. Make a new layer by Ctrl J, Filters, Sharpen, Clarity. Apply. Do it couple times. Ctrl J to make a new layer. Next go to Filters, Detect Edges. Go to Layers Blend Mode right here, change the soft light and decrease the opacity till it looks good. New layer by Ctrl J and this time change to Add. Change opacity. Now this is optional, but let's make a canvas texture. So merge them all together by right clicking on Layer tab and merge the visible. Then go to Filters, Colors and Voronoi. Make the cell smaller and increase the line width. Hit Apply. Go to Filters, Blur and Motion Blur. Change rotation to 90 and change the radius till the blur is almost visible. Now we had this canvas-like texture. As you can see in the old painting, there are some scratches and grunge. Hit Apply. Now let's change this blend range in here. Take the left corner to cut the dark and take the right in the middle and click on the middle and slide it down. As you can see, it did give that canvas texture a little bit, but let's make it better. Go to Blend Mode and change it to soft light so it blends better. Decrease the opacity. Again, merge the visibility by right clicking and merge visible. Then go to Colors and Voronoi and do the same. Add motion blur but change the angle about 19 degrees. Again on blend range do the almost same but mess it with this time. Change the blend mode to soft light and decrease the opacity. Merge visible and go to Filters and Color and Halftone. Decrease cell size and contrast. And hit Apply. Again go to blend range and mess it with. Go and add motion blur, hit Apply. Change the blend mode to overlay, increase opacity, and final touch, merge them all together. Go to Filters, Sharpen, High Pass, slide to 100%, go to blend mode and change it to soft light. Change opacity to 50 about before and after. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Bye.